Welcome back to my vlog. Siyempre, andito yung si bunso ko. Magsiseryoso sana ako ng vlog, kaya extra na naman siya. Anyway, good morning. This is, today is January 1, 2022. Yay! Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy
So, and bago natapos ay yung taon, kagabi. Ayan, I received my last gift. Ayan, no. So, regalo sa akin to ng panganay ko. Ayan. Ano to? Vlogger kit. O, ayan, naawa na siya sa akin. Diba? Sa tagal ko na nagbablog, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng ganito. So, this one, it says here, yeah, vlogger kit nga siya. So, meron na siyang kasamang microphone, LED light, phone clamp, and tripod. So, ayan siya. May LED light and tripod. So, unbox na natin, guys. So, I'm ready to unbox it. Ayan. Anyway, kaya pala ako nakaganito kasi andito ako sa winter garden namin.
Yes, Mama. Ready.
Oh. Kasi dito kami nagbe-breakfast. Coffee kayo dyan.
It takes white for everything
So,
right.
ito siya. Yan. May bag. Siyang kasama. I'm gonna show this. Pag ganyan lang. Yan.
We make.
I hope it's really nice, and then para sa mga next vlogs ko, gagamitin ko na siya. So, what's this? Ito yung clamp, phone clamp, and yung microphone, tripod, and the, oh my goodness.
Oops. No. It is the white, Mama.
Ang laki ng ilaw, grabe.
Oh my
But
God.
I need to put what? A battery. Oh, yeah. I need to put the battery pa. So, 4 na double A.
Put it in the battery.
I need 4 na double A. Kala ko pa naman matatry ko yung ilaw niya. So, let me see. Tignan natin. I think it's nice.
I think
Ito na-rotate pala siya.
so nice.
Diba? But I need nga ng battery.
I need
So, I like the gift.
Yes, Mama.
This is Ate Pia's present for Mama.
Yes, I can be a present for Mama.
Yeah. Look.
Yes, and microphone.
So,
Mama,
ayan. And then you put the phone here or camera. Ayan. And that's it. I just need to buy batteries. Ayan. O, diba? Mapapakinabangan siya talaga.
Batteries.
So,
Mama, yeah.
ito nakasuot dito. And then sa phone. Diretso sa phone.
Microphone?
So,
No, it's
Ayan.
microphone.
I love it. Thank you very much, Pia.
Thank you very much,
Ayan.
Pia.
meron na akong
Ooh.
vlogger kit na may
Mama, a
ganda.
full white design, a microphone.
Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you have a wonderful 2022 ahead of you. So, bye! Oh,
Bye.
please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Malapit na akong mag 5,000 subscriber, guys. So,
Just like that.
please share to your friends. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.